question, find the quadratic equation such that its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of equation 2x square plus 2 into p plus q x plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. One quadratic equation is given and we have to find another quadratic equation and its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of this given quadratic equation. We have to form another quadratic equation. How we can solve this problem? The given quadratic equation is 2x square plus 2 into p plus q x plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. Write down its coefficients. A equal to 2, b equal to coefficient of x 2 into p plus q and c is equal to the constant term, that is p square plus q square. Coefficients a, b and c. And we know there is a relation between sum of roots and product of roots with their coefficients. Sum of roots, that is if alpha and beta are roots of a quadratic equation, then sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta product of roots is equal to c by a. The relation between coefficients of a quadratic equation and its sum of roots and product of roots. Minus b by a. Minus b by a is minus b is 2 p plus q by a is 2. Sum of roots equal to minus 2 and 2 are cancelled, then minus of p plus q and c by a. C is p square plus q square. From the given quadratic equation, now we find out the sum of roots and product of roots. From the question it is given that the roots of the quadratic equation that we have to form, its roots are square of sum of the roots and square of difference of the roots of this equation. From here we find the sum of roots. Next we have to find out the difference of roots. How we can find the difference of these roots? That means difference of roots. Difference of roots equal to alpha minus beta. And the roots are square of difference of roots. So we have to find out alpha minus beta square. Difference of roots is equal to alpha minus beta. Then its square, that is alpha minus beta square. How we can write alpha minus beta square, beta the whole square? If we use the expansion formula, it becomes alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. This we can also write as alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square plus minus 2 alpha beta means 2 alpha plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. It becomes minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta equal to alpha plus beta square. Alpha plus beta square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta. We can write alpha minus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. We have these values alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So, to find the value of alpha minus beta square, we can use this relation. Alpha minus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus of p plus q the whole square minus 4 into alpha beta. Product is C by A, that is p plus p square plus q square by 2 minus of p plus q square. Then it becomes p plus q square minus 4 into p square plus q square by 2. Then we can cancel this 4 and 2. Then it becomes 2 into p square plus q square. P plus q whole square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq minus 2 into p square plus q square. If we multiply, it becomes 2p square minus 2q square. So, this is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq minus 2p square minus 2q square. This is equal to minus p square minus q square plus 2pq. Or we can write it as, if we take minus outside, it becomes minus of p square plus q square minus 2pq. From this equation, if we take minus outside, it becomes minus of p square plus q square minus 2pq. This is in the form of minus of p minus q square. Alpha minus beta square is equal to minus of p minus q square. According to given condition, the roots of the required quadratic equation are alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square. Square of sum of roots and square of difference of roots are the roots of the required quadratic equation. The roots are alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square. To form its corresponding quadratic equation, we have to find out the sum of roots and product of roots. Sum of roots. Sum of roots means alpha plus beta square is one root plus alpha minus beta square. These are the two roots, and sum of roots alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha minus beta square. Now substitute the value alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus of p plus q the whole square plus alpha minus beta square. Alpha minus beta square is minus of p minus q square. This square is not applicable to this minus. Alpha minus beta square is minus of p minus q square and alpha plus beta is minus of p plus q. So, alpha plus beta square is minus of p plus q whole square. Minus of p plus q whole square is equal to p plus q square plus minus, it's become minus of p minus q square. Alpha plus beta square plus alpha minus beta square, that is sum of roots is equal to p plus q square minus p minus q square. Then this become, if we use the expand formula, p square plus q square plus 2pq minus p minus q square is p square plus q square minus 2pq, and if we apply this minus, it's become p square plus q square plus 2pq minus, apply this minus to this all terms, minus p square minus q square, then minus of minus, it's become plus, plus 2pq. If we simplify this, p square and minus p square plus minus p square 0, q square minus q square 0, then the remaining is plus 2pq plus 2pq. 2pq plus 2pq is 4pq. The sum of roots of the required quadratic equation is 4pq. Now we have to find out the product of roots of the required quadratic equation. Product of roots. Product of roots equal to, the roots are alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square. Then product of roots is equal to alpha plus beta square into alpha minus beta square. Alpha plus beta square, the value of alpha plus beta is minus of p plus q and its square, whole square, into alpha minus beta square, its value is minus of p minus q square. Then it's become minus of p plus q square, that is p plus q square into, we can put the minus sign here, product of two terms, one is positive and one is negative, then the product is minus of p plus q square into p minus q square. This is equal to minus of p plus q square into p minus q square, that is, this is in the form minus of x square into y square. P plus q square into p minus q square. This we can write as x into y whole square, that is x square into y square. Similarly, we can write this equation as minus p plus q into p minus q square minus of p plus q square into p minus q square we can write as minus of p plus q into p minus q square. This square is not applicable to this minus. This minus is the value of alpha minus beta square. This minus. P plus q into p minus q. P plus q into p minus q is a plus b into a minus b form. That is a square minus b square. So this is equal to a square. A square is p square minus q square. P plus q into p minus q is p square minus q square and minus this minus sign whole square. Product of these two terms p plus q into p minus q was p square minus q square and square we write here minus. The product of roots equal to minus of p square minus q square whole square. Product equal to minus p square minus q square whole square. Now we know the values of sum of roots and product of roots of the required quadratic equation. The required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is 4pq. 4pq into x, sum of roots into x plus product of roots. Product of roots is minus p square minus q square the whole square. So we can write it as x square minus 4pqx minus p square minus q square the whole square. This is the required quadratic equation whose roots are square of sum of roots and square of difference of roots of equation 2x square plus 2p plus qx plus p square plus q square is equal to 0. One quadratic equation is given and we have to find another quadratic equation. How we form the required quadratic equation? First, we write down the coefficients of given quadratic equation and from that we write the sum of roots and product of roots using the relation between the coefficients. Sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. Here the value of sum of roots is minus of p plus q and product of roots is c by a. That is equal to p square plus q square by 2. And using these two values, we find the value of square of difference of roots. That is using the relation alpha minus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta. We find its value, that is minus p minus q whole square. Here sum of roots is alpha plus beta square plus alpha minus beta square. alpha plus beta square and alpha minus beta square are the roots, then its sum is 4pq and product we find its value is minus of p square minus q square the whole square. Using that two values, we form our required quadratic equation x square minus 4pqx minus p square minus q square whole square is equal to 0.